Hello, it is James again with JJ Media. And before I go any further, I want to ask you to like, subscribe, and share this video. I know I ask it all the time, but I particularly want you to like this video on whatever outlet you are watching it on. It is so important. So, that said, this is another follow up to my VEVOR portable shed. I believe this is the third video. I got another report. I've been going through customer service, and of course, if you've seen our previous videos, the shed come apart. The sun here in Florida got to the campus well within um, the year, but we really didn't catch it until right up at the year. That's all the warranty is. Um, so that said, I'm just gonna jump through. Not gonna show any of the pictures. Again, I'll try to link all these videos together if I can on the different outlets. I know on the YouTube channel I will easily do it. I'll try to do it on the other channels too. So that said, I want to remind you you can go to jjmediaonline.net, click our Amazon finds, and I have the where I purchased it. You can actually click on that, and this is the shed, and we were happy with it. Um, it worked, but that said, uh, it the sun weakened the canvas, and then we had the major wind here in Florida, and it ripped it. So I've been I have been going back and forth. In fact, right there you can see how it is, and I've been going back and forth with VEVOR customer service, and here is I mean, you can see I've got all kinds of responses. Well, I just got another response. They said they were not. They did send the cover, just the middle cover, and they said it exceeded the 1 year warranty. Well, I sent them. I reminded them the first picture I sent them showed the end, and all I'm wanting is the end cover. They sent the main cover, but not the end. So, and they just responded again. We're deeply sorry for the problem you encountered. We understand the concerns and after sales issues. Da 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 da. Our team encountered some challenges in handling your issue. Need some extra time to determine the root cause of the problem. So, I'm bringing this again to you, just showing you I am holding off my main review of this product to see if the customer service takes care of this. And if they take care of this, I'll give them basically a good review. But I wanted to follow up again. I just got the info, the response from them. In fact, let me just go to the other screen. November 2nd. November 2nd. So um, that is today, the time of this recording. So that said, we'll continue to bring you follow up, and this is the VEVOR customer service. I'm holding off my customer rating and the rating of VEVOR. Obviously, we know the products aren't quite as sometimes the quality should be. We purchased this off of Amazon. So that said, that's the follow up. Thank you for watching. And please, again, I'm asking you, like this video on whatever outlet you are watching this on, subscribe to that outlet, and share this on your social media. Thank you much, and we'll catch you on our next video. Have a great day.